Tough jobs, big spaces, deep stains. The Mighty M Work Pro Series 12-gallon carpet extractor is built for when cleaning can't just be quick, it has to be thorough. High capacity, heated, professional grade. At home, it makes even the toughest messes manageable. 12 gallons of heated cleaning power means fewer stops to refill and more time getting stains out. Whether it's tracked in dirt or dropped pizza, in hotels, rental properties, or commercial spaces, the 12-gallon carpet extractor shines. A powerful 100 psi pump paired with a 3-stage vacuum motor delivering 100 CFM pulls stains and odors from deep in the fibers. The 600-watt inline heater boosts solution temperatures up to 182 degrees Fahrenheit, breaking down grime fast and leaving carpets refreshed. The impact and dent-resistant housing is built for daily use in demanding environments, while 10-inch non-marking wheels and swivel casters keep the unit moving smoothly from room to room. Quick access fill and disposal ports simplify setup and cleanup, and the 15-foot solution hose and vacuum hose, 4-inch clear view upholstery tool, and 2-piece stainless steel jet wand give you reach and precision on every job. And like all Mighty M equipment, it's backed by industry-leading warranties, including lifetime coverage on the housing because pro performance should last. The Mighty M Work Pro Series 12-gallon carpet extractor for bigger jobs, longer runs, and cleaner results every time.